friends, welcome to Coding with Anirudh channel. So today in Coding with Anirudh channel, I am going to do a Winnie game. So come on. So I'm in code.org's Sprite Lab. So who is Winnie? Winnie is a cartoon character. He is the most popular cartoon character. So come on, we can start. So the first block is set speed to 20. Then, in the loops, repeat 15 times. Inside that, make a new sprite called Honeybee with a honeybee costume. Then, at a random location. So, set honeybee size to random integer from 15 to 25. Then, honeybee begins wandering edit. So, it is a behavior. So come on, let's do after coding. So I explained before that. So can we do after? Yes, let's start. So you can keep a background which you want. I am going to keep farmland. Then go to the sprites. Take this, make a new sprite. Then rename the sprite as Winnie. So then Winnie is a beer. So this is Winnie. In this game, this is Winnie. So if you search in the Google, it will show the Winnie. Then change the location of Winnie to the top left. Then go to actions, and there will be set size. Scroll down. There will be set size. So put that block. Then take the image and put it in the trash. Then go to sprites, my sprite, put it in the set. Then choose my sprite Winnie, size to 50 or else 60. I'll just put 60. Then go to sprites, another sprite. This is honey. Create. So change this to a gold because this is the honey. So I will explain the game. Wait. Actions, set size, then remove the image. Sorry. So go to sprites, my sprite, then change my sprite, rename this. Not rename. Sorry, I confused. Honey. Set honey size to 60. Then go to sprites. This time honey jar. It will be here, honey jar. Rename the sprite as honey jar. Honey jar. And create. Then change the location of honey jar down the Winnie. Then the gold coin we need to put it the top bottom. Sorry, top up. We need to put it up. So now come to the actions and take set size. So the same, remove the image and go to sprites, my sprite. This time honey jar. Okay, honey jar. Set size to 60. So that's enough. So these are the characters in the play. So come on. If Winnie, there will be a queen honeybee. In all the honeyness, there will be a queen honeybee. So if Winnie touches any of the honeybee, the queen honeybee, not any of the honeybee, the queen honeybee, its speed will down. We already underwent run. We set the speed to 20. So if Winnie touches queen bee, his speed will decrease by 1. Okay. If Winnie touches the honey, the yellow gold coin, that is honey. If Winnie touches the honey will move 1 pixel down. So if Winnie touches the honey jar will move 1 pixel right. So if honey touches the honey jar, the game will show by removing the honey, it will show you won. So this is the game. So come on, let's start. And honey is Winnie, and Winnie is controlled by arrow keys: up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow. So first we will do the arrow keys for Winnie. Change when to while. While up pressed, go to the actions, move, then remove this image, go to sprites, my sprite. Put it there. My sprite, Winnie. 10 pixels north. Not 10 pixels. Remove this 10 and go to variables. Take speed and put it in the speed pixels. So then events. When down key pressed, change when to while. Down. When down pressed, go to actions, move. Move 10 pixels north block. Then take this image and put it in the trash. Then go to sprites. There will be my sprite block. Change it to Winnie. Then remove the 10 and go to the variables. There will be speed. Put it there. Then pixels. If down means south. Okay, then we need to do as the same for right and left. While left pressed, actions, move, take this image and put it in the trash. Then go to sprite. There will be my sprite. Change my sprite to what? Winnie. Okay, then take this 10 and put it in the trash. Go to variables. There will be speed. Pixels. North no. It is left means west. Not west, west. Now come to events and when up pressed event. Then change when up to right. Then change the when to while. So then go to actions, move 10 pixels north block, then remove this image, go to sprites. Need to do this fast. So go to sprites, my sprite, Winnie, then remove this 10, then go to variables, then speed, then change the north to east. Okay. Now Winnie's controller finished. So if go to events, then if when image touches carrot image, so take that event and move this under up. There is no space. I am moving blocks up. So then remove these two images and go to sprites, my sprite block. Go to sprite, my sprite block for the two things. When Winnie touches honey, first we will do for the honey, then we will do for the honey jar. When Winnie touches honey, this time when only, not while. If you want, you can change it to while. No problem, nothing with that. So next, go to actions, then take move block, then remove the image. Same we done for that while down pressed, while right plus while arrow keys pressed. So go to sprites, my sprite block, then change my sprite to honey, 10 pixels south. Not 10 pixels, change it to 1 pixels. The game will be hard. Then go to events. When image touches image, remove both images and go to sprites. My sprite, 2 times my sprite for the 2 things. Then change the first thing to Winnie. Then honey jar. Already I said that if Winnie touches honey jar, honey jar should move right, 1 pixel right. So go to actions, move block. So remove this image and go to sprites, my sprite. Then change my sprite to honey jar. Not 10 pixels, just 1 pixels. Not north. It's what? East. Okay, east. So then go to events. So if Winnie touches, that is finished. So if Winnie touches the honeybee, the color of the honeybee should change to red because the honeybee is angry. We need to show that the honeybee is angry. So we need to change its color to red. So come on. When touches event, then remove this images. Then put my sprite blocks. My sprite. It will be in the sprites. Then Winnie touches honeybee. This time we need to go to actions. The first block. Change the color of. Remove this image and go to sprites. Then my sprite block. Honeybee to red. And the 10 honeybees will be launched. Okay, another 10 honeybees. So go to loops. Then repeat loop. Repeat 10 times only. Go to sprites. And make a new sprite called the honeybee. Then change the image to honeybee image. Remove this 200 and put it in the trash and go to locations. There will be random location in the first. So put it there. Then go down. After that we need to put set honeybee size to random integer. It is moving means you need to pin that. Then actions. Set size. Then remove this. Then go to sprites. My sprite. It will be interesting for some time. Honeybee size to not 50. Remove this 50. Go to math. Then a random integer 1 to 100 block. Put it there. So not 1 to 100. It's 15 to 25. So the next block is sprite begins. So we need to give a behavior. Go to behaviors. Then there will be sprite begins. Inside the repeat 10 times. Then go to sprites. Remove that image and go to sprites. Then my sprite block. Then change it to honeybee. Then begins means wandering. It will go anywhere. Wandering only, not wandering too. Okay. So the game is almost 50% finished. So now, how to win honey? So come to the events and take when touches and remove the two images. Then come to sprites, my sprite, put it in the first. Then change the my sprite to honey. If honey touches the honey jar, the game will end. So go to sprites, my sprite, that's honey jar. Then move it here, touches after. Honey touches honey jar. What we need to do? The game should end with the title. So go to sprites, remove sprites, remove. Then remove that image. Then go to sprites, my sprite, honey. Remove honey. We need to remove the honey. Then we need to go to text, show title screen, show title you want. Right, you won. Why you won? Then no subtitle. So then that's all. So check the game. There is one change didn't happen. If the Winnie touches the honeybee, speed minus 10. So we need to put that. So go to variables. There will be set speed to. Put sprite begins. In the repeat 10 times. After sprite begins honeybee wandering. After that set speed to. Set speed to. Go to math. There will be first block 0 plus 0. Remove the first 0 and go to variables and take the speed and put it in there. Speed minus. Select minus. Speed minus 1. So that's all. The game is finished. Then rename this as Winnie game. Then save that. If you want to share, click on the share button. There will be a link. Copy that and share that. So thank you friends. Like, share and subscribe to Coding with Anirudh channel. So I will meet you in the next video.